Hi, my name is Gary Parker, and thank you for visiting our webpage dedicated to helping you decide if you should list your house with a real estate agent or sell your house to a professional house buying company such as Gary Buys Houses. The first thing I want to talk to you about is who's going to be going through your house throughout this process. Well, with a real estate agent, you could have 30 or 40 people come through the house. Someone will make an offer that you accept. Then they will have a home inspector come through. The mortgage company will have an appraiser come through. And there could be other people coming through before the whole process is over. With Gary Buys Houses, we show up to our appointment, we make our inspections, we make an offer, and if you accept it, we're done with the process of walking through your house. Next, I want to talk about those pesky commissions, closing costs, and fees. When listing with the real estate agent, you're going to have to pay those commissions, the fees, and the closing costs. With Gary Buys Houses, we pay for all of those costs. For example, if we give you an offer of $200,000 on your house and there's no mortgage or liens, you get $200,000 at closing. We pay for everything. This helps us let you know exact to the penny how much you're going to receive with our offer. The next thing is, what about repairs? Who makes all those repairs? Well, when you list a house with the real estate agent, you're going to have to make all the repairs that the buyer wants you to make, or else they could cancel the contract. With Gary Buys Houses, it doesn't matter how extensive the repairs are. We don't care. We will buy a house in any condition. Okay, so what about packing and moving? Well, with a real estate agent, you're going to have your house totally vacant, no contents in the house, cleaned and ready for the new buyers to move in the day of your closing. So you'll have to be in your new place. With Gary Buys Houses, you can pack the stuff you want to take. You can leave whatever you want in the house and we'll donate it to charity, or we will throw it away if there's no value there. As far as when do you have to move? Well, with Gary Buys Houses, you can close, you can get your money, and you can wait 2 or 3 weeks or 2 or 3 months before you have to move. That way you have plenty of money to take care of things and get you to your new place. So what does all of this mean? This means that if you want to sell your house to a professional house buying company, we can take away all the hassles. No repairs, no fees, no closing costs, move when you want, close when you want. Everything is taken care of and we make it as simple as possible for you, the seller. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to meeting you soon.